I'm Michael Full Senior, and our company is Shortstop Jet Charter at Essendon Airport. We're an aircraft management company. We operate customers' aircraft on charter around the southwest Pacific region. We've been flying Lears for 30 odd years. We've had light jets and medium jets and now heavy jets. So we currently have a Lear 31, which is used within Australia missions for small numbers of people. We have a turboprop Merlin, which we use for regional travel. And we have the Falcon 900. The Falcon 900 replaced a Hawker 1000 we were operating on behalf of one of our customers. It flies about 300 hours a year, probably a third of that for the owner, and a couple of hundred hours of charter around the Pacific Basin. The people we carry are the usual groups of high net worth individuals, show business people and senior government people. As far as HAPP goes, the customers reacted positively when I mentioned that for a certain amount of money we were able to pretty well protect ourselves against unexpected expensive avionics failures, particularly in IRUs and displays. And they saw the logic in this and they agreed to it, and that's been going on for some years. We've had several occasions where it's been worthwhile. We've had at least one IRU fail and we had something down from Singapore the next day. I think we're ahead of the game financially with it, but the main thing is it gives us a peace of mind, gives the owners a peace of mind that if something expensive goes, it's covered under what they've already budgeted. So we think it's a good thing and we're going to continue to use it.